Hey everyone, today we're diving into something that's on a lot of people's minds, how to build a real future in tech. We're going to take a look at a place called Pearl Institute in Batala, which says it's where your ambition can really meet technology. So let's see what they're all about. And that really brings us right to the main question for you. Are you ready to take control and actually shape your future? Because finding the right path in tech, whether you're a total beginner or looking to up your game, that's exactly what we're going to explore.
All right, so their whole mission is pretty clear. Your tech future starts here. The idea is to empower the next generation with the skills they need to really succeed out there.
And the great thing is, it doesn't really matter where you're starting from. You know, whether you've never touched a line of code in your life or you're already a pro just trying to learn the latest stuff, there's a path for you. They've designed it to meet you right where you are. So let's talk about the first step, building your foundational skills. This part is absolutely crucial, especially if you're new to all this. A strong base makes everything that comes next so much easier.
For anyone just starting out, the journey begins with a basic computer course to get all the essentials down packed. From there, you can level up to the Diploma in Computer Application, or DCA. And you should really think of the DCA as your launch pad. It gives you a solid, practical foundation for all the cool, specialized stuff you're going to learn later. Okay, once you've got that solid foundation, it's time to code your career path. Now, for anybody who loves solving puzzles and building things with code, this is where it starts to get really, really interesting. So this path kicks off with fundamentals like C and C++, which are fantastic for teaching you how to think like a programmer. From there, you can branch out into building awesome websites with powerful tools like Python and Django, or PHP. They also get into full-stack development with the MERN stack. That's MongoDB, Express, React, and Node, which is a super modern way to build entire applications from the ground up. And hey, if mobile is your thing, you can jump straight into Android development and even get into AI-enabled apps. How cool is that?
But you know, tech isn't just about code. What if you're more of a creative person or maybe a strategist? Well, let's look at how you can master the digital domain. In this area, you can learn to speak visually with the graphic designer course, mastering the tools you need to create amazing brands and designs. Or you could learn how to grow a business online with their digital mastery program. That course gives you all the strategies you need to make a real impact in today's crowded digital world. Now, you might be thinking, okay, a lot of places offer courses like these, and you're not wrong. So what exactly is the Pearl Institute advantage? What makes their approach different? Let's break it down. I think this quote pretty much sums it up. The goal here isn't just about learning theory out of a book. It's about getting your hands dirty and working with the technologies that are literally shaping our world right now. And here's how they deliver on that promise. You're working in modern labs with expert teachers, sure, but the really important part is this. You're not just doing textbook exercises. You're building real-world projects that you can actually put in a professional portfolio. Plus, it's all backed by personalized attention, which means you're not just going to be another face in the crowd. It's the whole package, all designed to make you genuinely ready for a career. So, if this is sounding like the right move for you, taking your first step is actually pretty straightforward. You can just reach out and call them at 781-497-6999, or you can visit the Institute at SCO27 on Jalandhar Road in Batala. The head of the Institute is Mrs. Sonika Malhotra, and really, just making that first call is all it takes to get started. So we'll end on this thought. All the tools, all the pathways, they're right there for the taking. The real question is, where will you take technology? The future is yours to build.